Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here, welcome to the channel and welcome to another update on my educational series. In this episode, I'll be discussing how to create watch lists on TradingView and turn your TradingView watch list into something very crowded and hard to navigate like this, into a watch list like this, which is well organized. Now, it doesn't matter what you're trading on this channel. I look at lots of different things. I look at economic data, stock market indices, the US dollar. I look at the bond market, volatility metrics, crypto, altcoins. Whether you're trading any of these, even if you're trading Forex, it's very, very nice to just separate all of these different watch lists into individual categories. So when you're scrolling through your TradingView, it's not like it was before where you've just got hundreds of charts and you have to, really search for a specific chart. So let's dive right into this on how to set this up. Now, before I show you, I do just also want to let you know you don't need a paid TradingView account to do this. However, as I do have a paid TradingView account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my secondary TradingView account, which doesn't have a paid membership. So how do you set up all of these watch lists here to navigate the markets a little bit easier? Well, if we come over to our secondary TradingView, you can see I'm going to be demonstrating this on a few different things over here. I'm going to show you how to separate things like Bitcoin charts, altcoin charts, the bond market, and also stock market indices. Like I said, it's really dependent on what you're trading, so it is up to you. Now, first of all, you can see I've got quite a few Bitcoin charts over here, and maybe I just want all of the Bitcoin charts in one easy place. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find all of my Bitcoin charts. I'm going to drag them all into one area, and what I'm then going to do is I'm going to right click on the pair right at the top, and you can see that this button has come up here, add section. You're going to want to click on that and then just double tap on that, and you can see this has now created a new watch list for you. I'm going to type in Bitcoin, enter, and as you can see, I've already got a Bitcoin chart somewhere up here, so I'll get rid of this. And as you can see, I now have a Bitcoin only section with all of these different charts. And then if I scroll down a bit further, you can see I've got some altcoins here. I'm looking at Solana, I'm looking at KDA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the top of this section, click add section, and then I'm going to type in altcoins and hit enter. And you can see we've now got two different sections for Bitcoin and altcoins. Now, let's see if you are using a free account. So let's come down to our next one first of all. What we're looking at here is a couple of government bond charts. So I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to click add section, and then we're going to type in bonds. Hit enter. And as you can see, we're just separating all of these different charts. As I scroll down further, I'm coming down to the stock market. I'm looking at some stock market indices. So I'll type in stock market indices, and I might want to have a separate section for stock market charts, just like I've got over here. As you can see, I've got all of my indices, my SPX, my NASDAQs, my SPY, the QQQs, the Dow, all of these different indices in one section. And then I've got a few other stock market charts or miscellaneous stock market charts just by themselves. Just to navigate things easier, you can see we're coming down to a couple of charts for the US dollar now. You're going to want to right click on this and click add section, and then with this we'll just type in dollar. And then as you can see, we've now just, separated all of these different charts. And do bear in mind, if you're scrolling through your TradingView, you might see, as you're organizing this, you might be like, hey, I've got a couple of other altcoin pairs. Just simply grab these with the left click and then scroll down and just drag them into these individual boxes, and you can drag them in or out of these different categories if you do wish. So that's basically the main takeaway from this video, and that is all you can do if you have a free account. However, if you have a paid account, you can actually change the color of some of the flags on these symbols. So for example, if you want to make it even easier to find these, for example, stock market indices, if you've got a non-paid account, you can flag them. You'll notice if you try and flag them and add a different color, let's say you want to click blue, it's going to say, hey, you need a you need a paid account to be able to do this. But if you do already have a paid account, even if you have the cheapest paid account, you can come over. Let's say we're going to come down to the stock market indices now. I can right click these and I can highlight all of these as blue, just so when I'm scrolling down, I can just kind of color code it by eye. Maybe if I'm scrolling down and I'm going to create a Bitcoin section for myself later, maybe I want to highlight the Bitcoin charts in orange just to make everything a little bit easier. So you can do up to 7 of these if you do have a paid account over on TradingView. So this is always just a really nice way to just kind of navigate the market a little bit easier. If you're scrolling through, you can see, hey, there's some blue here. This is the stock market charts. Hey, this is orange here. These are the Bitcoin charts. You might want to color code your altcoin or Forex pairs a little bit differently, but that's just how to take your crowded watch list, which is a little bit hard to navigate, into something like this, which is much easier to navigate through and find your chart. So for today, my friends, that's all I've got. Do bear in mind, if you do enjoy this content, this is just one educational update out of a playlist of 37 videos. If you do enjoy my content, let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment. Share the videos with your friends. If you want to further support the channel, click the join button and become a member today. Follow me over on Twitter at 618_cowboy. I'll leave it here for today. I'm out. Peace.